girl Jonique, making it look unique, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, definitely subscribe. I create fashion related content from hauls, lookbooks, style advice. I even throw in some vlogs so you can get to know me on a personal level. So if that seems to interest you, I would definitely say subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000. But in today's video, this is a long overdue video, highly requested, and I will be doing an updated review of the Tres Colori.I jewelry collection. So I know a lot of people wanted to know like the longevity, did it tarnish, as well as the overall quality, shipping, and things like that. I will be answering all your questions, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications, and let's just get right to it. For the first segment, I am going to show you the updated pieces that I did get from my haul. So I recorded this video about 2 months ago, so this should be a real authentic review on how your product may last if you keep it in the little baggie that it comes with, as well as cleaning it before and after use. So this was the Ice Cuban link chain that I did purchase. As you can see, it's in the same condition. It has yet to tarnish. It still has its very bright, prominent gold color. It's still in amazing tack. I'll probably show you a little closer. Everything looks like it was brand new. So I would definitely highly recommend this chain. It is on the pricier side, as I mentioned before, but if you do catch it on their specials or their deals, you can definitely snag this at a good deal. So next up is the diamond cut name necklace, and as I previously mentioned, you can see the quality has yet to tarnish. You can see the gold layering is very bright, which is really nice. The quality is amazing. So if you were thinking about getting this nameplate, something very small and dainty, I would highly recommend that you get it, as well as read the reviews that are on the site. They can be very helpful into deciding what it's actually going to look like, how long it lasts, or will it tarnish, and things like that. And I do wear this pretty frequently, not every day. I would say probably once or 3 times out of the month, and I use it and then I clean it off and I put it right back in the bag in the box that they gave me. For the last item that I did purchase in my previous haul, these were the name earring that I customized. You know, this wasn't necessarily my favorite in the haul, and it still really isn't. I barely wear it, and it has actually bent a little bit since I've worn it. So you could just see that's just like the quality that I was mentioning before. As you can see, this one looks a lot duller. It's not as bright as the other ones, the necklaces that I shown you before. So I would say this isn't the best cop in my personal opinion. Hey guys, so now I want to talk about the shipping. So the shipping generally takes between 3 to 4 weeks, so just keep that in mind. If you're doing something like it's not like a personal customized order, it'll probably take less than that. Just keep that in mind. So 3 to 4 weeks. I also wanted to mention, did it tarnish? I wouldn't say it tarnished, just the earrings, because it wasn't the best of quality. I think they should probably put a better grade of gold on there, or just change the whole construction of that earring, because it's not for the longevity. Would I recommend? I would recommend Tres Colori.I just because they are a new up-and-coming jewelry company based in New York City. They are fun and they're innovative, and they're trying to cater to like the younger streetwear type aesthetic, which I love, and the quality of their pieces are really nice. When you do purchase a gold-plated necklace or earrings, I wanted to let you guys know they do use 0.925 amount of sterling silver, and then they plate the pieces with the 14 karat solid gold, and this is what enhances the bright color that we all love in 14 karat gold. I also wanted to mention they do have different chain lengths. You can get it in 14, 16, 18 to 20 inches, so you can make it as long or as short as you want. This would be perfect for layering. You can get a nice choker one, mid-length, and even longer based on your preference. They have added a new men's line, so they're catering to women and men, which is really nice, and children. They do have like a mommy and me segment, so if you are a mommy and you want to match with your twin, definitely go check out the mommy and me section. And fellas, they didn't leave you hanging. They got options for you guys as well. They do have real 14 karat gold plated necklaces if you're into that. Of course, it's going to be more on the pricier side just because it is authentic 14 karat gold. Okay, so to wrap up the video, I wanted to do a haul of the new things that I did purchase from them. So this is the first item. It is called the Gothic plated heart bamboo earrings, and I love bamboo earrings. They are perfect for any streetwear look. I did customize it to say Prin, which is short for princess, and I just love the quality on this earring compared to the one that I previously showed you, just because it is more of a thicker consistency or thicker material. They do have the 14 karat gold plated in the middle, so just keep that in mind. So I really love these. These are what they look like on. They're very much of a statement piece, so if you do see this on the website, I do recommend that you go purchase this. So the next item I got was this double plated heart name necklace with a Cuban link chain. So this is the Cuban link chain. It has the lobster clasp. It is double plated, which gives it a better quality just because it's two-sided, which I really love. So I was on the website trying to figure out if I should do the single plated or try out the double plated, and I just love how the double plated just raises off your chest. You can tell the difference between the single plated and the double plated is just a lot more lifted. Now I fell in love with this design just because I like the little illusion that they have here. This is not real diamonds, and I did think it was going to be real diamonds, but it is not. So just keep that in mind. I don't know, it's like a foil covering over it, but I did get it customized in my name. So don't be fooled if you think it's gonna be real diamonds, but I would highly recommend this just because it is amazing qualities. You just make sure that you upkeep it, clean it off before and after your use, and it'll last you a long time, okay? And this is top-notch quality. Okay, so last but not least, I did get this number chain. I got it in my birth year, 90s baby, and I'm proudly representing it in this name necklace. So I just got this so it could just be like a simple layering piece, just because I want to add like a Cuban link chain on top of it or my nameplate underneath it. I just felt that it will just be a nice dainty necklace to have. So if you're looking for something, definitely go check out Tres Colori.I. They have a whole bunch of different options. They added some new collection items, so you can definitely check that out. They have rings, bracelets, anklets, and things like that if that seems to interest you. And instead of you paying for H&M jewelry that are only gonna last you a week, you might as well invest in good quality gold plated jewelry that's gonna last you a lifetime if you keep up with it and follow the care guide, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know how you like this updated video. I did get some new pieces, and I just wanted to tell you my overall experience with this company, and I'm super happy, and I would love to try different things. Probably I might try out their rings or their bracelet next. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram at jo.taynique, on TikTok at jotaynique2. Have a wonderful day. Bye.